Hi guys! Today's tutorial was requested by one of our supporters. This bow is part of our Disney Princess collection and it's one of our best sellers in the shop. So craft with me today and let me show you how this favorite piece is made. We will be using satin ribbon in 3.8 cm wide, one piece at 25 cm and one piece at 23 cm long. You can adjust depending on how big or small you want your bow. First, we'll heat seal the ends of the ribbon so it looks neat and tidy. Now, let's start making our bow. Make sure your needle and thread are ready. Grab one ribbon and fold to mark our center point. Next, we'll start sewing. Now grab the other ribbon. Gently pull the thread to gather the ribbon and secure the shape. We will now attach our bow to the headband. We will position the bow in the middle. I've already marked the center beforehand. I'm using a piece of felt fabric to the bottom for a neat finish, but this step is optional. Now I will add the rhinestone. You can choose any style you like to make your bow truly yours. Please note that the glue needs time to set. You can use a clip to hold the rhinestone in place while it dries. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!
A DJ Baltic dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft